Attention passengers. Captain Hero is making bad choices again. Please fasten your seatbelts. First night in and you're already lit. Sang karaoke absolutely killed it. By killed it, I mean murdered the tune. The whole damn bar howling at the moon. You spilled your drink on your brand new shirt. Tried to play it cool but made it worse. Leaned too close to a girl in lace and tripped on thin air straight on your face. But damn, you're fun when you lose control, dancing like you're trying to save your soul. Bartender shouts, no more shots for you, but they know that's a lie. They always do. He's Captain Hero, king of bad decisions, running wild with zero inhibitions. Every drink another risky mission. Every night ends in blurry vision. But baby, when you move like that, I forget you're a beautiful car crash. Captain Hero boy, I've got suspicions. You make magic out of bad decisions. Bad decisions. Bad decisions. Bad decisions. Lips on fire. Superstition. You got stuck in a chair at the bar. Whole crew laughing from near and far. Some girl smacked you with her fan. Said you're cute but you're a walking disaster, man. You tried flirting with the DJ twice. She just laughed and handed you ice. Then somehow you ended up on stage, shirt half open, acting your age or not. But baby, damn, it's entertaining. Like watching chaos when it's raining. Everyone knows when you're around, some stupid memories going down. He's Captain Hero, king of bad decisions, running wild with zero inhibitions. Every drink another risky mission. Every night ends in blurry vision. But baby, when you move like that, I forget you're a beautiful car crash. Captain Hero boy, I've got suspicions. You make magic out of bad decisions. Lost your wallet, lost your key card, lost your dignity. Twice, but somehow you never lose your charm. He's Captain Hero, king of bad decisions, running wild with zero inhibitions. Every dance another sweet collision. Holiday chaos with no supervision. But baby, when you move like that, I forget you're a beautiful car crash. Captain Hero boy, I've got suspicions. You make magic out of bad decisions. Captain Hero, report to my cabin. That's an order.